How to reset PIN password on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you forgotten your Messenger PIN and now want to reset it so that you can access the end-to-end encrypted chat history on other devices? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to reset the end-to-end encrypted chat backup PIN on Messenger. Open Messenger on your device. You will land on the chat section. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Scroll down a bit. Under Preferences, select Privacy and Safety. Under Security, select End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap on Message Storage. Under Security Methods, you will see the option to reset PIN. Tap on it. Surprisingly, you don't need to enter the previous PIN password to confirm it's you. You can instantly change the PIN. Start creating a memorable PIN. Once created, confirm it. With these simple steps, your new Messenger PIN has been created. And there you have it, you have successfully learned the way to reset your Messenger PIN. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.